Hi, YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today we are doing another unboxing. I have a Sunbasket parcel and we're gonna see what's in it. Sunbasket, as I told you, is farm fresh organic food for cooking sent to your house, and I can't remember what I ordered, so we're gonna open it up and we're gonna see what's in it, and then I'm gonna post it for you, and then eventually, some point in the future, we'll cook it and I'll show you how to make these kind of inspired recipes that are easy to make, fairly quick. I would say less than an hour time with prep and everything, and probably quicker for you because you're not doing videos, but we're gonna look and see what's in here, and I think you guys will appreciate it. So let's get at it. So we're opening this up. Remember to hit the like button for the algorithm, but also I am putting a discount code in there so you can also partake of your first order. I think you get like $30 off or something like that. But let's see what's in here. I don't know what's in here. You can see, again, as I showed you how it comes packaged. And for Sunbasket, they come in these like paper bags, almost like, you know, like a home meal, which is kind of cool. And this one is Greek meatballs with tomato, cucumber salad, and lemon tahini dressing. So again, all organic produce. We're gonna open this up and see what's in there. I'm gonna unpack that. And then this next meal is Korean spicy stir fry with your choice of protein, which I think my choice of protein was shrimp, but we're gonna see. Maybe it's salmon, I'm not sure. And then on the ice pack on the, oh, it's shrimp. On the ice pack on the bottom, look at that. I mean, like, golf caught shrimp, and it's not frozen. This is the interesting part about it. The shrimp is not frozen. It is fresh shrimp. Look at that. So look, produced in the US for people who care about those kind of things, sustainably sourced, and it's wild caught, not farm raised. So that's kind of cool. I'm gonna have to make this probably quickly. This goes with my Korean something, put that in the sink. And then my fresh, organic, no antibiotics ever ground beef. So look at that. We're cooking with gas. And then this is 10 ounces of ground beef that they give you, which is kind of cool. You probably, depending on how you cook and how much you like to eat, unless you're cooking for 2 people, you probably won't need all of this. So you can open this, portion it off, and then freeze half of it. But remember, this is like high quality ground beef, which is kind of cool. And it's no antibiotics, fresh. So let's open up those bags and see what's in it. And we're gonna move this out of the way. And you see the ice packets in there. They're also organic or biodegradable, I should say. So look at this. 98% water plus 2% GMO cotton. 100% biodegradable. Look at this. There's this cut bag open, squeeze gel into the compost or trash bin, and then recycle the liner. So the liner is a 4% plastic liner. So we're gonna do that later. All right, let's look in the bags. So this is the Greek meatballs. So let's see what we got in here. Organic baby spinach. Organic mint. A cucumber. An onion. Lemon tahini dressing. This is the secret sauce for, this is za'atar. Anytime you when you go to Greek places and some Lebanese places, and you're like, what is that special flavor? That's what this is, za'atar. It's also a character on G.I. Joe, I think, right? An organic tomato. The recipe card that tells you how to do it. And another organic tomato. So that's what's in the first bag. Actually, I'm gonna put this back in this bag so I don't get confused. Actually, I don't think I will get confused, but who knows? Don't want to get confused. So we're gonna put that back in. All right. Korean spicy stir fry with your choice of meat, which I don't know what my meat is. It's either shrimp or organic scallions. It's like a surprise. Oh, look at this. They sent me. So this is actually like Japanese rice, which is kind of cool. Short grain, sticky rice. That's cool because I don't have any of that in my house right now. A carrot. Some dried shiitake mushrooms. If you watch my other video, you'll see that this is like not mini, because I guess you don't need mini for this meal. Apple cider vinegar, which I already have some. A radish. This is that spicy red Korean paste. It's called gochujang. Gochujang. If you've had bibimbap, that's what it has. Another radish. It's like a mystery bag. Look at that. Another onion. Man, I'm getting so much stuff. Recipe cards. See, look at that. Your choice of posting. And like you see, they have a stone bowl. I don't have any stone. Actually, I might have a stone bowl. But typically when you're in a Korean place, they would make this and then they serve it. It's just like bibimbap. So this stir fry thing they're talking about is like bibimbap, and you put the rice in there in the hot bowl and you serve it in a hot bowl. And you can crack an egg on top if you have eggs. And then look at this. Organic low sodium gluten-free tamari, which I don't even know what that is. It's kind of like soy sauce, I guess. And then another, man, they eat a lot of radishes for this meal. Oh, and then another carrot. What's up, Doc? But anyway. So that's it for my unboxing today of my Sunbasket package for this week. And again, I like the service because you can skip as often as you want. I like the choices that they had this time, so I did not skip, but I'm gonna have to prepare either the shrimp or, yeah, I'm gonna have to prepare the shrimp quickly because they're fresh, wild caught shrimp. So anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Please hit the like button. Please hit the notification button, subscribe. Give me your comments below. Let me know if you tried it. There's a discount code in there for you. If you want to try it, you can try the service. My discount code is in the description. Anyway, catch you next time. I'm out. Subscribe and like below.
Subscribe right below.